When I was doing the control arm replacement, I found a way, before I knew that you need a special tool to put the bushings back in, I found a way to get the bushings out that's pretty good, and I'd like to show that real quick. So in this example, I already got 2 of them out. And so, yeah, you just need to hammer out this centerpiece, so get that out first. And then when you do, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna have to get some map gas and just a set of channel locks. So what I'm gonna do here is just heat up. I'll take the top one off first here. So you just need to get your channel lock set up, your pliers to grab that. You want to grab the rubber part, not the metal part under it. This ridge here, that's part of the control arm. So grab the rubber, and what you're gonna do is heat up all around the bottom underneath this bushing. That's gonna get all the metal to expand all around where that rubber is. And then just heat it up for a little while, and then try to use your channel locks to turn this rubber. Turn it, try moving it like this, and then probably within a minute or two, it'll come right out. It's turning a little bit. Okay, there it goes, starting to come out. All right, just needs a little bit more, maybe at the bottom. Okay. Mostly out now. And just make sure we wear gloves because it gets pretty hot. There we go. So it's definitely not the easiest job, but start to finish, I think each one takes less than 5 minutes. So yeah, and then once you get that, you can use a razor blade to clean it. You can even just use the torch to cook the inside where the rubber used to be, and it'll burn it up. But then at that point, you can Paint the control arm if you need to, sand it down. You can then you got to find the tools to get the ball joint and the bushings in there. But I wanted to do this because I wanted to get the original Mercedes parts, so the ball joints and the bushings are still available. The control arm is not available, like the whole assembly. So I wanted to keep my original control arm because it's still in good shape. So hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.